Just in case you totally remove this tray, notice that the wheel was inside that rail. So you have to insert it into that one and into that one also. Now this one is on the line and on the triangle also, and only the interior one is lit. This is only the triangle and the lower one. Also the interior one is lit. Now let's try this one. 2 lines on the top and 1 on the bottom. It's stopping. It's not as red as before. It's not red. Continuous line on the top and bottom. Now let's see this one. Temperature is set to the maximum. Kinda nothing. Nothing is red. That's only the lower one. There is some heat already noticeable here. The lower one, of course, is not glowing. Nothing is glowing on the top either. Triangle on the top and continuous line on the bottom. And the result is this. One is glowing, the other is not glowing. Some bubbling is noticeable already. Nothing here. Moisture is noticeable there. Warm, moist air. Water is dripping down. Too much heat. Lower the temperature. It was here. I lowered it, let's say there. When you open it to test it, then make sure you pull your head away a few seconds, because hot steam will come out here. So don't put your head here. Wait until that steam goes away and then test it. So I ate that one and it needs a little bit more. And notice I set it to around, let's say, 130, but the light is off, and at around 150 it's turning on. So since it's turning on at 150 degrees Celsius, that probably means that that's the temperature inside the oven. If it would turn on at 100, then 100 degrees Celsius would be the temperature inside. And I turned it off. Celsius is on 0 and heating is on 0 also. And see the steam. So don't put your head there. Wait a few seconds until it disappears. And it looks like this. The paper is brown. Don't touch the metal. This was added later. It was full of ice. Hope it's good, I'm not sure. It is turning itself on and off, even on the maximum power setting. In a few moments it should turn off. And in a few moments it should turn on. So it's doing it quite frequently at 9. And it's off again. So when you are baking or frying or whatever, something in the oven, make sure the tray is not here in this large area, but insert it there in that small one. Of course that's not too easy because the hot steam is coming out in your face. This is pretty hot, and even this thick thing also heats up very quickly. And make sure you are inserting it there, plus the other one also, and then it stays pretty horizontal almost. But as I used it, I inserted it on the top and it was not good because now it stays pretty horizontal, but in my case it was up there somewhere, and since it was not on horizontal, all the liquids went to the, let's see, to the right, and the left side got dried out and the right side was full of moisture, and it was not too good. So make sure you insert the tray into those openings.